misanga tule.
Tena sana doon ang damasu.
Naka turang Tulawa, turang Taltala, and I'm delighted to be here today in Solevu Village with the islanders of Malolo to commission this rural water project that will supply you with an uninterrupted flow of clean water. For many years, Solevu's maritime geography has left your village isolated and vulnerable to water shortages, especially in the dry seasons. This hardship has worsened over the past 2 years as we have faced especially severe drought conditions in our Western Division. The reality is due to the pollution of greenhouse gas emissions by larger developed nations, our climate is changing for the worse. And in Fiji, the experts tell us we'll be facing even longer and more frequent periods of drought as time goes on. To allow the people of Solevu to remain dependent on outside sources for water when we are facing such dramatic realities of climate change is not a future my government is willing to tolerate. It would not be responsible for us to allow your situation to remain unaddressed, knowing what is to come, knowing that the threat of prolonged drought is ever increasing. We are fighting an aggressive campaign abroad to alert the world to our peril and stop the irresponsible behavior of developed nations. But there are adaptation measures that we must take back home as well. The Rural Water Project will help the villagers adapt to our changing climate by bringing a reliable and safe source of water directly to your village. My government has financed this project because water is the single most precious building block to development. Indeed, the Fijian Constitution enshrines the right to clean water access for every Fijian, mandating that government work to give every person adequate access to water, quality water. That is the mandate my government is continually working to meet through the Water Authority of Fiji. In the coming fiscal year, Water Authority of Fiji has been allocated just over $300 million. And that allocation sets Fiji up for a secure water future with a vast majority dedicated to capital projects, including the constructions of new water sources and treatment plants, and the expansion of water distribution systems all over Fiji. It is an ambitious strategy covering rural, urban, and peri-urban areas alike, but it is one that my government is dedicated to pursuing because of the significant role reliable water access plays in economic development. The construction of this water project has cost $198,300, and it is an investment we are happy to make, because from clean water flow many benefits that keep us more productive and more resilient to environmental hardships. This project will serve 130 households on the island, and the expensive and unreliable system of water cutting. A system that frankly limited the possibilities of the people of Solevu. Without access to clean water, we can't stay healthy and hydrated throughout the day. We can't keep ourselves clean and maintain sanitary homes and schools. And we waste valuable time searching for water sources, or in the case of Solevu, waiting for water to arrive from the mainland. But today, that has all come to an end. Today, we can all celebrate as a village receives an enormous boost towards securing a healthier and happier future. My government has again and again made the extension of essential services to our rural and maritime regions a top priority. It is my government's job to come to you. It is my government's job to deliver development, infrastructure, and services so that you can enjoy the same quality of life as any Fijian living on Viti Levu. And as is evidenced by this new water project, that is a responsibility we welcome and intend to meet. The people of Vuno Lawa and the Tunatu Lawa and the Taltala, thank you for welcoming me and the members of the government delegation into your village, and for the traditional ceremonies of welcome you have afforded me. It is a privilege to be among you all, especially on a day like today, when my government can officially open a water project that will serve as Solevu for many years to come. Malolo Levu, and I thank you.
Tunatu Lawa, sana main dollars ko na wengo na puno lawa. Sing man ba katakan na kot na may nabiba kalungatak. Ida kaya sar na may mga tak.
Nah.